Hey folks, welcome back to Green Iron TV. Back down in the garage finally again working on some stuff, and it is time to get back into working on the M38a1. So big plans was to get this vehicle stripped down and get it painted, and that's what we're going to work on here this fall. We have some beautiful fall weather here in Michigan, so we are going to get it done here. So what we got coming up, so first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to strip everything off the vehicle that we can strip off. Take the headlights out, take the radios out, take all the stuff out of the vehicle, and then we'll get to sanding on the body and getting the body, primed and not primed, but prepped for paint, because we are just going to overcoat over the existing green that's on it. And then we'll go ahead and get this thing resprayed sometime. So that's what's going to be coming up in the next several episodes of Green Iron TV. So stay tuned for all that. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a like, leave a comment, because we always like to hear from you. So thanks, and keep on watching. Okay, we're going to get started with disassembling some of the simple things. Getting this big radio out, the other radio, helmets, rifles, spare tires. We'll eventually get the seats out and get a bunch of stuff like that disassembled out of the vehicle. we cheated and lifted that big radio out on, not on film because it was heavy and a big old pain to deal with. But we're gonna keep moving along, keep taking bits and pieces off. Well, that's a fun design. There's just barely not enough room to slip it out from underneath the rear holder, so I guess we'll pull one side of those. Well, that gets a lot of the major stuff out of the rear. We still need to, we're going to take off the antenna brackets. We need to go through, take off all these foot loops with all the attached hardware, get that out, and keep working our way around. Okay, as we continue to move our way around the Jeep, taking stuff off, one of the things we want to make sure we take off is our data plates. We do want to preserve those and not get those covered in paint. So we're going to take the screws out that holds the panel. All right, and we're going to make sure we want to set that off to the side and keep that from getting paint and damage on it, because that's all our data plates and that's our serial number. So we're going to keep stripping some stuff. Fording, power, that's all stuff that we're not going to be able to take off real easy. Yep, we'll leave our knobs on. We'll just tape those off. Continue to keep making our way around the Jeep here. All right, last of the big heavy antenna brackets, and now we can just keep peeling little bits and pieces of accessories off the Jeep and keep working at it. We got, you know, stuff like the old stars we got to get peeled off before we start sanding, so keep working. Okay, we're going to get these cotter pins pulled up now. Get the front toe shackles off. Get those out of our way. Now we're going to look at removing the headlights. Let's get these out and out of our way. This makes it easier. One less thing to have to mask off against. So they're pretty easy to get in and out. Be able to turn and pop that right out. And so all our bulb pieces are numbered with the stamps, so it makes it nice and easy when we go to put it all back together. Nice and easy. Now we don't have to worry about masking off around the bulb, ruining our bulb or anything like that. So we just got to close this off here where the wires are, piece of tape, and makes it nice and easy. Okay, as we can see, we've got everything stripped out pretty well out of the back of this Jeep. She does need a good wash and cleaning. We've left the driver's seat in still for the moment. That way we can drive and move the vehicle around fairly easy. That'll be the last thing we basically unbolt before we paint. Well, we've got the spare off the back, the jerry can holder, and all the radio antenna brackets, all that type of stuff. All the straps, all the footman loops that held all the straps, all that type of stuff. All that stuff down and out. We've got the shackles, headlights pulled. So that's pretty much the majority of major disassembly. Okay, folks. Well, that's going to take care of most all the major, removal of parts and disassembly on the M38a1. As we get ready, we're doing a repaint. This is not going to be a full body off. This is a repaint. This vehicle was fully taken apart and blasted, cleaned probably 25 plus years ago. So it doesn't need all that. It just needs a good, clean repaint. So we're going to make that as easy as possible by disassembling, taking the big stuff out, and then cleaning up and painting, and then we'll reassemble the vehicle. So that's going to do it for today. Appreciate you staying through and watching. Next, coming up, we're going to go ahead and start prepping for paint. We'll get the DA sander out, and we'll be sanding on the body, removing any of the old markings, especially those that are in decal. Get that all cleaned up. So that's going to be coming up in a future episode of Green Iron TV. But like always, please leave a comment, give us a like. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Every little bit helps. And we want you to be able to stick around and watch all of our Green Iron madness. So thanks. Have a good day.